this is the second day where BMC is again at action at the Habitat in Mumbai's Khar West. Now this is the second day after the video of Kunal Kamra's mentioning Eknath Shinde or making a poem satire on him had gone viral, and the BMC continues to be here. Yesterday also the H West wards officers had arrived, and today since morning they are taking action on the illegal structure, the unauthorized structure of this building. Now you can see the railing. Behind the railing there was a studio structure which had roof top which was removed yesterday, which was taken down, and today the work of dismantling the stage of the Habitat studio is now being the work is being taken over by the BMC. A private contractor has been given this work. CS Singh has been appointed to do the demolition part, and the BMC still fails to explain on what basis the action is being taken, because usually the process of BMC of taking demolition in their hand is that they issue a legal notice or they issue the demolition notice to the concerned party, and they are given time period to answer that or to demolition themselves. But this is the quickest action that BMC has been taking. Now this also raises question whether the action is only being taken because of the political influence or the vandalism which was seen day before yesterday, where the Shiv Sena party workers who got offended by the jokes of Kunal Kamra had vandalized this entire studio.